This is a 59 Chevy Impala. It's got the cat eye lights that go like horizontal. I actually like these a lot. Some people like them or they hate them, but I like them a lot. I think the only Chevy I didn't like from this period was a 58. I like the 59, 60, 55 to 57. Actually, like the 56 probably of the box style is the best. But you notice too, I like the pod instrumentation in here. See how it is? Looks like it's got the power glide in there.
I'll open the door for you.
Oh yeah, appreciate it very much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Go right ahead.
Yeah.
Flatter me.
Yeah. They'll never make something like this again today because it's made out of metal. It's got individual gauges. And the analog gauges are actually freaking way more reliable. You can take them apart, and sometimes you just got to clean something in them to get them going again. Everything being electronic, it's like you throw away an entire body control module and get a new module of something that costs you like as much as an engine. These gauges are, and I think, most of them are like Stewart Warner, high quality. So, Power Glide is a very reliable transmission. They actually use it for drag racing. There's your center speaker in the back of the seat, which I had a 62 Impala Convertible SS for my first car. And also notice the seats far more designed and color coordinated than you would ever get today. Today you get a gray interior or a tan interior, and it's all one color. And here back you have multicolor type of cloth and vinyl with silver trim, chrome trim. A lot more attention on the trim on the door panels too. Nothing today is made like this. Period. That's the way it is. And let's get back to the infamous cat eye tail lights. If you like cats, you like this car. I love these tail lights actually. I've seen an El Camino here too with one of these 59. But Chevy, you figured they were changing your styles every year without CAD/CAM computers, using drafting boards and clay models. Today, they got something that looks like a lump of ice cream or something, they stick different LED lights on. They say they did a major change, and they got all the equipment in the world to change something. And they're making these not out of plastic. Today you got, this was all. Every year was changed. Every year was changed. Even like the later model Chevelles. Every year was changed. This took a lot more effort to do, and the price points were good. One thing they should have done was when they manufactured these cars, they should have dunked the entire chassis and frame in heavy-duty Cosmoline, or some kind of that's the only thing that got these cars is rust. Otherwise, they'd be still all running today.